Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach you all the needed WordPress tips, tricks and hacks that you need to manage your own WordPress site. I am happy to have you here. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create jump links, how to create anchor links. When somebody clicks on a link within your content, it jumps to another section of your content. It's called anchor links. It's called jump links. I know this is what you are looking for. That is why you are watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to achieve this on your WordPress site. Before I get started into today's video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of these WordPress tutorials. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. If you are also getting started with WordPress blogging, then I highly recommend you get Bluehost. It is the recommended WordPress hosting platform for beginners. That is what we use and that is what we recommend. Our website is hosted with Bluehost. Click on the link below this video. It will bring you to the home page of Bluehost. Click on Get Started and select any of these packages here and get started with the stress-free best customer service WordPress hosting platform on the internet. Now let's get started into today's video. In order to have anchor links or jump links within your content on WordPress, we have to install a plugin. So the plugin we are going to install, let's go to the admin dashboard, hover on plugins and click on add new. Once we've clicked on add new, let's search for this one, content anchor links. Let's search for this plugin here and I'll click on install now. So once installation is completed, let's activate our plugin. Okay, so let's create a post and add our anchor links inside. So I'll just come over here and click on add a new post. And I'll name it anchor post. There's a dummy content. So let me search for, let's go to this site and generate a dummy content here. Let's make the paragraphs 7. Let's make the words 500 so that it becomes longer. So let me copy to clipboard. Let me just use this one and I'll paste in our content here. So now we have a dummy content. Let's take it that this is your content. In order to create anchor links within this content, we need to create header 2 or header 3. So let's just cut this portion and make it a header. So I'll make this one header 2. Let me go to the last but 2 paragraphs. Get these. I'll make this one also header 3 or heading 3. I want a short one. Let me grab this one, and I'll also make this one header 3. By default, we believe this is where you want your anchor to be. So when somebody clicks on a link top here, it brings the person to this section right in front of this. So I will hit publish, then we'll continue. Let me select any category here and hit publish here. So our article has been published, and let's see the work of the plugin we just installed. So I'll go to the HTML version of our content here, and as you can see, this work was done by the plugin we've installed, h3 with this ID equals this text. Then we have our heading here. This styling was done by our plugin. So we will copy this ID here. Just copy this ID. Follow the tutorial as I am doing. So for example, we want to highlight this text so that when somebody clicks on it, it brings the person down here. So this is what I'm going to do. Just select the text you want, the anchor text, select it like this, click on add new link, and let's paste our ID here. Once we've selected our ID, it's found our heading here, and let's click on enter, apply here. So let's update our post. Go and check how it will look like. So our post has been updated. Now let's view the post at the front end and see how it works. So this is our post here, everything as you can see. So when a user clicks on this link, it has to take the person down here. So let's test it. I'm going to click on this, and as you can see, it brought us down here. When I click on this, it brings me down. Let me do it once again. When I click on this, it brings me down. So this is how easy it is to add jump links or anchor links inside your WordPress content. You want to link to a specific section of your content. Use this tutorial I've just showed you and apply it to your content so that your users can easily click on links and go to the specific sections you want them to go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, smash the like button, give me the thumbs up, it means a whole lot to me. Don't forget to also subscribe to this channel and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my tutorial videos. I have also prepared some WordPress resources for beginners. Check the description box below this video. You will find the resources. Go through them. They are meant to help you move from a beginner in WordPress to an expert in WordPress. Use these resources to help your blogging journey with WordPress. Until I come your way with another video, bye bye from WP Blogger.